Today is January the 7th, 2020. As you can see, Iran attacks Iraq air bases where U.S. troops are based. So this is in retaliation for the killing of the general. So they are attacking the Iraqi air base where the U.S. troops are based. And they are taking the credit for this. That has claimed responsibility. And they're putting out videos showing these missiles going in there. As you can see, it sounds like rockets. So the U.S. soldiers and all the other soldiers have took shelter in bunkers. And they said that there would be more attacks. It depends on how the U.S. responds. So we not sure what Trump is going to do tomorrow. So just keep tuning in on the news. I'll keep you updated on what I see. But I'm pretty sure, I think Trump is going to retaliate from this because he done put it out on Twitter, talking about the 52 locations that he will attack if they start messing with U.S. And they have started shooting missiles. As you can see, these missiles are flying in the air right now. So it's nighttime there in Iraq. So Iran has attacked air bases, U.S. air bases in Iraq. All right, stay tuned for updates. I'm pretty sure you can see it on a lot of other YouTube channels that they are attacking U.S. air bases that are in Iraq. All right, thanks, and stay tuned for more information.